Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. If log of BC to base A is equal to A, x log CA to base B is equal to Y, log AB of B to base C is equal to Z, then prove that 1 by x plus 1 plus 1 by y plus 1 plus 1 by z plus 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. So in step 1 we can write in place of x plus 1 is equal to log of A BC by A, that is given the value of x plus 1. So in case of 1 we can write log A with base A, because the logarithm of any number with the same base is 1. So if we have x plus 1 is equal to log BC with base A plus log A of with base A, so that we can again write as log ABC with base A. In the same way you can write log y plus 1 is equal to log CA with base B, that is given plus 1. In case of 1 you can write log B with base B, because in the same way, so that gives you the value log ABC with base B. Similarly, in third term z plus 1 you can in the same way write log AB with base C as per it is given plus 1. In place of 1 you can write again log C with base C, so you get in the same way you get the value of z plus 1 equal to log of ABC with base C. So now in step 2 you can rewrite the left hand side of the expression as 1 by log x plus 1. In case of x plus 1 you can write log ABC with base A, plus 1 by, in case of y plus 1 you can write log ABC of with base B, and in case of z plus 1 you can write in third part you can write 1 by log of ABC by in the base C plus 4 as per the expression. So that gives you the expression as log A with base ABC plus log B with base ABC plus log C with base ABC plus 4. So in case of log A with base ABC, log B with plus log B with base ABC plus log C with base ABC, you can write log ABC with base ABC plus 4. So the value of ABC with base ABC is 1 plus 4 is equal to 5, proved. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.